I live in Utah. Of course it's cold when it's cold, but it's not cold because we're used to the cold. I live in Utah. Of course I wear shorts in the winter. I live in Utah. Of course I've slipped and fell a couple times. I live in Utah. Of course I have to put ice melt down. I live in Utah. Of course I'm used to the snow. I live in Utah. Of course you can fall and bust your butt at any time. I live in Utah. Of course it could be 80 degrees and then 32 degrees the next day snowing. I live in Utah. Of course we go outside and frolic in the snow. Oh yeah, this is frolic weather. I live in Utah. Of course I'm going to have to make sure the stairs are ice-proof. I live in Utah. Of course I walk down the stairs in flip-flops. I live in Utah. Of course there's going to be snow in March. I live in Utah. Of course I'm going to hear sirens all day. But they're not gunshots. They're probably people having